Krishna is the greatest blessing, gift we can receive from Krishna. Understand the kind of a charismatic personality he is, the kind of the extraordinary charisma he manifested. Knowing Krishna, loving Krishna, being Krishna, celebrating Krishna is the greatest gift we can receive from Krishna. In one line, if I have to say Krishna Bhakti, actually when you are in romance with Krishna, everyone around you feels you are Krishna. Krishna Bhakti internally keeps you in romance with Krishna. Everyone around you feels you are Krishna.